Let's see what has happened this week on the EURUSD symbol. Here it is the Monday, where we can see the Monday has formed a bearish pin bar. And the price has gone from Monday from this 1.08846. It has reached this first support, which is a monthly support at 1.07825. So on a Monday we have a bearish pin bar that took the price down, and also the price on Monday has closed below the Friday's candle, which was suggesting that the price will continue to move down. And also the candle has closed below previous lows of these two candles, which has suggesting that the price could reach lower levels. And the first stop where the price could reach is this level here where the support is. On Tuesday the price has gone down, reached right here where the support is, and also it is a confluence of support because we have horizontal support and also we have an uptrend support. So this demand zone where the buyers are waiting have pushed the price again up, where the price has not closed the day below the previous day candle. So the price has closed with a bullish pin bar, and it was suggesting that the price had problems going down or up. This is also visible here, where we can see 2 days almost where the open and close the price is. But if you check the previous week analysis, I have mentioned that the price will have problems reaching higher levels, but I am expecting the price will reach higher price since the last week. And when on a Tuesday, when the price has formed here a bullish pin bar, on a Wednesday the price has jumped up and reached 1.09860, which is the first larger resistance level where the supply zone is and where the sellers are waiting. It was a strong bullish candle that took the price and gone outside of this area where the confluence of resistance is, because we have here also a monthly trend line that is making a resistance confluence of resistance with this horizontal resistance line. So the price has managed to reach higher levels, 1.09860, and on a Thursday we can see that the price has tried to reach higher levels, and it has reached 1.103 price level, but from there the price returned back down. The price returned completely to the first support level, which is 1.08846, where the price had problems in the previous week to reach higher levels. And from there on a Friday we can see that the price has continued to move down. We can see that the Friday candle is a strong bearish candle that took the price, and it closed close to 1.07825, which is a support level. Let's make the labels. Let's put here it is a pin bar. It is a pin bar. It's good, and also the second one is a pin bar, but it is a bearish pin bar. I will remove this arrow pointing on a Monday. Okay, and let's go now to the weekly time frame to see what has happened, how the market looks. In the previous week we had an indecision candle here right where the supply zone is, where the sellers are waiting, and it is a confluence of resistance which I have mentioned, monthly trend line resistance and also horizontal resistance line. So we have here just a minute, I need to remove this one. It should not be on the week, on the monthly. Sorry, mistake, I am on a weekly time frame. So here we can see that the price has managed to reach higher levels, 1.103, and then return back down. This was also mentioned in the previous analysis that the price could reach higher levels and then it will return back down. So we can see that this week is completely bearish, where the price has tried to reach higher levels but then return back down. If we go to the monthly time frame, we can see what has happened. The month has ended above 1.07825, which is good. So we have here this month, Monday and Tuesday, did not push the price below. So after that, the price has reached the higher levels, and what we can see right now, the price is above 1.07825, so that is a good sign. And also the price is below this uptrend resistance line, which means the price have problems. But after the month has ended, I have mentioned the previous analysis that this area here around 1.09860 is an area where the buyers will exit from their trades that push the price up, and also the sellers will enter here to push the price back down. So the price is currently here at 1.07825 support level. So let's check what we can expect in the following week. Let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, let's go from the monthly time frame. It will be easier to understand. Okay, let's see what we have. After the price has reached this supply zone where the sellers are waiting, they push the price here at 1.07825. If we take a look what has happened in the past when the price was bouncing from this 1.09860, we can see here when the price was reaching this level here, in this case the price has moved up and the price did not return back down. This was a strong bullish move. If we take a look in the previous attempts, just a minute, let's make this one like this. We can see in this case the price has dropped down and then returned back down. This was the downtrend. So the price has reached 1.118 level. Then the price was moving down, then returned back up. The price went on the return back up. The price has reached 1.0960 area here, and also here 1.1 level, which is also right now reached, and then the price returned back down inside between 1.07825 and 1.09860. The lowest the price has gone is 1.071. You can see it here. This is visible at this position, and also what you can see, it is right here where the price had problems reaching higher and lower levels. Then the price has gone up. After that the price returned back down and returned again up. So in this case, when the price was moving up, we can expect that the price will bounce here, what has happened, and then return back down around 1.007 price level. This is on the monthly time frame what we can expect. After that the price could return back up, but we need to wait what will happen on a weekly time frame, because the weekly time frame gives us much more better details how the market is behaving. So for the next month, it is due that the price closes above 1.07825, so it will mean that the price will continue to move up and it will be a bullish market overview. If the price goes down and closes below 1.07, then we will have a bearish monthly overview where we need to see where the price could go. But if the price closes below, we can expect that the price will continue to move down at least around 1.055 and also 1.05 level. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see what we can expect in the following week. After the price is reached, let's switch this like this. After the price has reached higher levels, and it was mentioned that the price could reach these two levels, 1.105 and also 1.103, which was reached, the price has bounced down. And the next level where we can expect after the price bounces from this resistance area, we can expect that the price will fall down here, what has happened, and then after that we can expect the price to reach this one, which is 1.075, which is also, and also this one is visible here, 1.07, which is also I have set right on the monthly time frame. This is the area where the price could move down. So for the next week, if the prices reaches 1.07 price level and returns back up, closes the week above 1.07825, which is support area for the price, this will be a good sign that the price will continue to move up, and it will stay at least for a while on the upper side, and we could expect to return back up around 1.08846. But if the price goes down and closes the week here at 1.073, this will mean that the price will continue to move down, because the sellers, which are here, has pushed the price wrong down, and the price will continue to move down because the sellers are still pushing the price to lower levels. But have in mind that this 1.07825 is a demand zone where the bulls are waiting, and if we go to the daily time frame, in the previous analysis I have mentioned that the bulls are pretty strong around this area here, and they are pushing the price up. They didn't allow the price to fall down below this support level. So I'm expecting that the price will stay here around this price level and also 1.07, because this selling pressure will probably continue to move down, push the price down, but I am expecting that the price will continue to move up, but we will see. It depends, are the buyers are still strong around this demand zone, or they have moved outside from this area and moved down around 1.05825. So in the following week we need to see around 1.07 what will happen, but I am expecting that the price will reach 1.07 price level, that is around 1.0733. This is the area here, and then probably 1.0736 is on a daily time frame next support area where the price could stop before moving down even lower to 1.05 area on a monthly time frame, which I have explained. So the market has switched from the bullish overview now with the strong 2 days with the bearish candles. So pay attention to not to sell the trade, but have in mind to make the analysis before that. So have your own analysis and base your analysis on these what you can see, and also my overview you can take into calculation with your analysis. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!